In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view DocuSign Certificate of Completion. The Certificate of Completion is your audit trail for a DocuSign envelope. It captures who signed, exactly when they acted, technical verification like IP addresses and locations, and final completion details. This record can be essential for legal, audit, and compliance needs, so let's walk through it clearly and confidently. Start by logging into your DocuSign account. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click Agreements. This page shows all your envelopes, including those you've sent, received, and completed, so it's the hub for everything you'll need today. Next, find the envelope whose certificate you want to view. Make sure its status shows completed. Only envelopes that are fully completed generate a certificate of completion. So if you see in progress or waiting for others, give it time until all recipients finish signing. Open the envelope to view its details. You'll notice several sections, including Recipients, Documents, and History. Recipients lists everyone involved and their roles. Documents shows the files included in the envelope. History gives a timeline of events so you can see the sequence of actions. Quick note before we continue. I've placed a link to DocuSign's website along with the official app download link, right at the top of the description. Use those if you want to follow along in your browser or on mobile. Now, access the certificate. In the Documents section of the envelope, click Download. From the Download option, select Certificate of Completion. This opens a PDF that includes the signer identities, the date and time of each action, the recorded IP addresses and locations, and confirmation that the document reached completion. Think of it as a packaged, tamper-resistant audit report for the transaction. Review the PDF to ensure everything looks correct. Confirm names, timestamps, and the sequence of events. If everything checks out, save the file to your device. For good record keeping, you might name it with the envelope subject and completion date so it's easy to find later. Store it with your other project files or compliance records, and share it internally if your workflow requires archiving proof of execution. A few important notes to keep in mind. Certificates are only available for completed envelopes. They are legally recognized and can serve as proof of execution. DocuSign updates the underlying audit data in real time as recipients act. So once completion occurs, your certificate reflects the authoritative record. That's it. You now know exactly how to view, verify, and save a DocuSign certificate of completion. If this was helpful, don't forget to check the links in the description, and thanks for watching.